So this is a half wig. This is the Lyndi unit. Check this out, it's so freaking pretty. This is the Lyndi unit by Outre, and I believe this is a 1B. And this is under 20 bucks, this wig. It's actually long. It comes to, like, if I stretch the curls, it comes to like my tailbone, top of my tailbone. So and it's like kind of like this yucky texture. It reminds me of my hair when I blow my hair out and I straighten it, and then after a couple days, I have natural hair. For those of you who are new, hi, I have natural hair, totally 100% natural, but sometimes I do blow my hair out and then I flat iron it. And so this is what my curls would look like probably by the end of the day if I don't do like a really good tight flat ironing and I throw curls in it, or either after a couple of days. You know how our hair swells with the humidity. I do it for my people because I know that there are quite a few of you out there who are in this wig game with me and love these wigs. And you know, it's just an accessory, and I'm just not a headband girl. But okay, so I came to bring you guys the real and let you know why I decided to do this headband thing and what's going on in the world. So I've done a little research and I found out that a lot of hair companies, specifically when they tailor to the lace wigs, the lace fronts, the frontals that have the lace, they're running out of lace. Some of these hair companies, you're paying almost as much as you would with the lace front. And I understand not everybody likes wearing lace fronts, not everybody can slay a lace front, you know, it is what it is. And to be quite honest, sometimes doesn't that lace itch? And Lyndi was so easy to put on. You've already seen the application of that, so I was like, hey, that's why I did that. And it was so easy. It was less than, I believe probably less than 3 minutes getting that on from beginning to end. Now, the headband wig is not a bad option for those of you who are like me. I suck at baby hairs. I cannot do baby hairs, like they really suck. And I'm gonna show you here, like even like this piece here, I have like a cowlick sort of. So, you know, it looks like it's a bald spot when I was looking at the replay, and dude, it's definitely not a bald spot. But like, I just really suck at edges. So if you're like me and you suck at slaying edges, look at this. This is where your half wig is, and you just pop that boogie on right there. You want to cover up that seam. How easy is that? Now, Lyndi feels good. Can we talk about Lyndi for just a minute? Lyndi, I'm not sure what the inches is on here, so if I find exactly what the inches are, because I don't have a measuring tape, I will link it. So not link it, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere around here. But Lyndi comes really long, and what I like about Lyndi is it's a lot of hair, like it's voluminous, and I decided not to comb out Lyndi. Let's see how she works throughout the week. Cash checker credit, Lyndi. I don't remember how much Lyndi is. Lyndi costs this much, and she's a half wig. Let's talk about how this wig, I think also a reason why women don't wear wigs, or one of the reasons why they say they don't wear wigs, is because maybe they feel like their hair won't breathe under the wig. But the way that this one is constructed, I don't remember this with my other wigs just yet, or maybe not in a while, I don't know. But I forgot to let the windows up when I was driving today, and I realized that my scalp was getting air. So I mean, the way that they have this laid, like this wig feels like thick, but it's not hot thick yet. It's thick, but the air still gets through. Like I can feel I felt the air on my scalp. Yeah, the cap is breathable, so I like that too. I was not expecting that at all. So Outre, this is amazing. I may have to order a couple more of these. Like, whose scalp is getting air? It's mine. How is yours?
And today, I have to talk about it. This big craze is going on now, right now. I know all of you guys are very familiar with it, and those of you who are not,